In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Glassdoor Mobile to find and apply for jobs. Start by opening your Glassdoor app. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar. Type in the job title you're looking for, then add a location. If you're flexible or working from home is your goal, you can simply type remote as the location. When you're ready, tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom to run the search. You'll see a list of roles that match what you entered. Take a moment to scan through the results and pick a job that looks like a good fit. Tap the listing to open it. Inside the job page, you'll find details like responsibilities, qualifications, and often pay or benefits. Give this a careful read so you know what the employer is looking for and whether it aligns with your experience and expectations. When you're ready to move forward, tap Easy Apply. After a brief load, you'll land on the application screen. The first section is usually your contact information. Enter your phone number and your email address so the employer can reach you. Keep these accurate and up to date. This is how you'll receive interview invitations or follow-ups. From here, continue through the application prompts. The exact questions can vary by employer, but expect straightforward items such as confirming your background, adding your work history if requested, and answering basic screening questions. Take your time and make sure everything is clear, consistent, and professional. If the application allows you to add a resume or a short note, keep it concise and tailored to the role. Before you submit, do a quick review to catch any typos and ensure your details match what's on your resume. Once everything looks good, submit the application. You should see a confirmation in the app, and you may receive an email as well. After that, the process is in the employer's hands. Applying doesn't guarantee an interview or an offer, but this is exactly how you can quickly put yourself in the running using Glassdoor Mobile. Keep an eye on your email and check the app for updates or messages from recruiters. And that's how to use Glassdoor Mobile to find and apply for jobs. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Good luck with your search, and I'll see you in the next one.